Hey folks, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV, to present to you this 2019 Winnebago Sunstar 27 PE. What a great coach. Come inside, let's take a peek at it. First thing I notice, I come in this coach, it's got the floor plan that people want, and that being said is you have the couch right here, very nice, right across from the dinette. So you can invite friends over. You can sit here, watch TV, or you can have them in the booth here, and you can have a lot of people in here having fun. These chairs do turn around also, so you can get a lot of people in here. It's pretty cool. Up above right here, there is an extra bed for grandchildren or kids or guests that may come over. Kind of neat. The kids love that. Coming back here, you do have your panel with all your redavinators on there. Slide rooms, your generator, everything you need, your Coleman thermostat. This does have an inverter also, right there. 2 stainless steel sinks. And this is a Winnebago quality, man. They really do well on their cabinetry. Look at this. A lot of storage, full extension drawer, Southco latches, boom. A full-fledged oven right here. 3-burner stovetop up above. Look at this. Nice little microwave. Heat things up, do some popcorn in. This would be a fun coach to take out, no doubt about it. You have a 2-door refrigerator, Norcold and freezer. Winnebago always gives you good storage. Look at that pantry area. That's very nice. And then coming back here, you have a wardrobe for your hanging clothes. Nice huge drawers underneath. My goodness, how do they do it? Coming back here, looks like a small little room, doesn't it? That's a big bathroom, a great big shower. You can move around in there really nicely. The toilet's located strategically. You also have a fan up above and skylight for ambient light. You have this slide out right here, so this bed does fold up right there. And if you wanted to, you could actually flip that around and have it up against the wall and have it like a little couch when the slide out's in. You do have this window in the back for looking out. If you're laying in bed here, you have the TV right at the right angle. Pretty cool. And then a nice exit window right behind the bed. Mcd Shades. This thing, they really thought of everything when they made this little coach. This is great. This will have a fiberglass roof on it. Look at the flooring in here. Easy cleanup. This has it all. Coming up to the front, Winnebago makes their own seating. They make most everything in the coach on their own, but this is great. What a well-designed cockpit up here. You do have the Ford chassis. You got your levelers. You got your cruise control at the touch of a finger. You got your backup camera right here, side cameras. You've got it all on this coach. Look at this. This is neat. So right there for the co-pilot, and you got your USB plug-in up there along with your 12-volt. Man, this is really cool. Let's go outside and see what this coach has outside. So coming outside, again, Winnebago, storage, the two are synonymous. Storage right there, again. Here's going to be your propane tank. And you got more storage there. Look up here, you have an automatic awning that's probably about 16 feet in length. You cover out here on the patio when you have your friends out here. This is just awesome. Camera up above to see your tow vehicle. Ladder, get up there so you can look at your air conditioner, your seals, everything you need to maintain up there. You do have your tow receptacle right here. Hook your car into, whatever you got, motorcycle. One thing I like about this, these doors back here open to the side, so you got your 4,000 watt Onan generator, but I can get under here very easily under this slide and not hit my head right there. Pretty cool. So right here you have your 30 amp service in a bay that also will house a bunch of stuff. And look at this little goodie if it's unlocked. Another little cubby that you don't get in most vehicles. Kind of nice. So again, there's your water bay. Everything at the touch of a button. You have plastic molded in there. And they make all their own molds and all their own plastic goods, and they can reproduce it if something were to happen. So that's kind of a neat thing too. So again, their storage just goes up and over to the other side. So there is a lot of room for your longer items. There's your side cameras right there. Beautiful coach, good quality, decent price. We're in Oregon, you're close to everything. The ocean, the mountains, the wineries, the casinos, we got it all here. Come out and see me. My name is Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you very much for watching.